Make sure we can get in there and see. So again, still got the batteries to do. You need to do the air box or filter right here. I believe that should sit right down on top of it. In order to do that, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts around this thing. There are 2 connectors here. I think won't be a problem. I'll be able to get those off. And then you've got a clamp right here holding this top of this box on. So you can loosen this clamp up, which I've already loosened everything up. Just a flat screwdriver. Push that off, and you can lift this straight up off of it. I might have the worst thing I could possibly have had on here. Yeah, not horrible. You know, there's a little bit of bug shit there at the beginning. Not a big deal. But you can see, I deal with what I have. Again, there's a bunch of bugs down in it. So, I need the big stuff, get it out of there. And we'll just drop a new one right down in it. YouTube is absolutely making sure that I see that ad because I had everything paused and it decided, no, it's time for an ad. Again, you don't have to unplug these. Not a huge deal there, so you can get away with it. Set it off to the side. And of course, you put it back in, start it into your air hose there. Make sure each of these bolts drop straight down. They're not holding anything up. Again, once those are all there, swap these batteries out. Might look at this crankcase vent and go from there. It's a ventilation filter. Make sure it's sealed all the way around it. Pull it back down there good. It pops into place. There you go. Then everything's good and tight. Simple enough job.